By nature, I'm optimistic. So from that point of view, we should be optimistic. 2022 was in many ways a challenge because we came out of 2021 with high expectations, and then it didn't materialize really because suddenly the war impacted our business. And moreover, as we are a US dollar-based company, the exchange rate from euro to US dollar hit us hard, and I think you experienced that in the UK in the same way for some time. And so we can't react always to these sudden changes as fast as we wish. So I felt it quite significantly. In the beginning of last year, we still saw that logistics costs were very high. Fortunately, they came down in Q4, so that helped a little bit. And so we see that since Q4, exchange rates are stabilizing, increasing a little bit, and that has a significant impact on our business. And of course, we are learning and we are adapting to the situation constantly. 2023 is for us the year, or another year, where we are developing, evolving, and also coming up with new ideas. The thing is that our industry is very much driven by software these days. Hardware is, in my view, the enabler for what the application should really do for the end user. So we spend a lot of time talking to end users to understand their needs, how they would like to communicate with the devices. Hence, we started that term visual communication. And we would like to be beyond that visual communication with everything that we do, whether it's wireless collaboration or digital signage. So yes, we will continue what we started in the last 2 years, further upgrading and finding ways to make it easier and more secure for the customer. Some of the models that we are upgrading are, for example, our Novo Touch. The new series incorporates now Android 11. We also have BYOM functionality built in. So there are different ways to operate with the product or increased security, for example. On the projector side, we have a very exciting ultra short throw projector with 5000 ANSI lumen with high accurate optical system that has very high sharpness in the corner, and so it's good to use in applications where details are necessary. So from that point of view, we are very excited about that product as well. Another area that has developed in the last 2-3 years quite well for us is digital signage. So not only that our Novo DS, the digital signage software, is very easy to use, and we added features here as well. Also the displays are now usable in portrait and landscape format 24/7. And we added or continue with the incorporation of the wireless collaboration there. So it's actually quite interesting for us to have so many new products. Honestly, when you look at it, we started 2 years ago with the term ecosystem. We were the first brand that used that term because we started introducing the first collaborative touch panels. We were the first incorporating collaboration and digital signage in those touch panels. We started continuing that process with non-touch displays, and we even have projectors with wireless collaboration. So that means when you really look at it, whether it's a company or a campus, from the entrance of the building as a welcome sign based on our Novo DS digital signage, up to meeting spaces where we have projectors, displays, or where we upgrade your existing devices with our technology, we can offer a seamless way of interacting with these devices so that it's easy for the user. You don't need to think about how do I communicate with this device here or there. It's everywhere the same. And the feedback that we got, especially from some of the higher-end business clients, was fantastic, because they said, finally, finance people don't need to worry, how do I make my presentation here and there? It's everywhere the same. And I think for an installer, this is the key, because it's a good story, and for the end user, it adds a tremendous value.